everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyasha Das, where we make your journey to cracking XAT as smooth and fun as possible. Today we are diving into one of the most underrated yes super important sections of XAT, and you guessed it right, it is none other than GK, the general knowledge. But before I get started, let me remind you that the only gift I want in return is one like of yours, a lot of shares, and if you have not subscribed yet, then please do subscribe because that's how this channel will grow, guys. मुझ पर तरस खाकर ही subscribe कर दो. Now, I know, most of you are probably thinking that GK doesn't matter much, but let me tell you this, that it absolutely does, and especially when you are gunning for the XLRI. Plus, can also give you an extra edge when interview shortlisting comes around. So, without further ado, let's break down the most important topics of SARZAT 2025 GK based on the previous year trends and how you can master them. So, the first section, as you see on your screen currently, is Indian polity and constitution. Well, I have some proof for you. This is a paper of 2021, and there are many more questions all across the last 10 years of that paper where you can easily find that it's a classic favorite of that. If you love knowing who's the Chief Justice or about constitutional articles, then this one is for you. So you can expect easily 1 to 2 questions from this topic out of the 25 questions in the GK section. So brush up on your constitution knowledge because these are very easy marks if you can just get through these final things. Okay, now moving to the second section, the international affairs. Now you know what, ZAT loves to keep you on your toes with recent international events. They also expect this from their students. So think COP submits, G20 meetings, global treaties. Okay, in ZAT 2022 they asked where was the COP26 climate summit held. Okay, do you know the answers? You can comment below as well. The answer is Scotland. So if you have been binge watching the news like a pro, then you're already ready halfway. Okay, now you can easily expect some 2 to 3 questions from international affairs. So trust me, these can be a bit tricky, but what you can do is, only thing which can help you in this section is keeping up with the news. All right, there comes the next section. So major economic policies and organizations, this one is a staple in ZAT. Okay, be prepared for questions on government schemes, reforms, international bodies like IMF, WTO. So in 2022 they asked you about the planning commission. Which one has replaced the planning commission? Of course it's Niti Aayog, if you know that. There was also a question around the PM Kisan scheme. If you know the full form, it's Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi. So as I said, these questions will be super rewarding if you have read up on the Indian economy. And again, it is well expected from an MBA student to do that. So whenever you're reading news, make sure you concentrate more upon the economy end. That's why मैं अपने newspaper free channel पर भी आपको Financial Express देती हूँ. Make sure you read that as well. Okay. Then coming to the fourth section, of course, current affairs is a broader room, guys, broader section hai, where if you're staying updated, then it is gonna pay you off big time because you would find questions on recent events, business news, everything coming under one roof. Like मैंने current affairs एक बड़ा miscellaneous topic के नाम पे रखा है, like where you can expect more things to happen together. So let's talk about an example, like which company became the first Indian firm to cross the 10 trillion mark. So this was that 2022 question, and the answer is Reliance Industries. So you can easily expect some 4 to 5 questions in that. Okay, 3 to 4 भी बोल सकते हो, which will easily be asked from the general miscellaneous current affairs section. Okay, now moving down to sports. Well, sports, baby, not it's not all about cricket. That is surprisingly global, and it's sports questions you will get asked about FIFA World Cup, Olympics, and other major sporting events. Okay, so make sure you are well updated with that. Just for an instance, this is a question of 2022 again, where they asked you which country won the FIFA World Cup. It's a very basic question because FIFA is what, of course, even if you're not interested in football, you need to know this if you're preparing for an exam like this. So just keep an eye on the latest sports highlights. You can expect like 1 to 2 questions easily from this section, and these will be really quick wins as well. Moving to the next section, we have environment and wildlife conservation, a relatively new but very growing section in that. For the past 4 years, 5 years, अगर आप trend देखोगे तो environment के questions बढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं. So it covers global environmental issues, climate change, international conservation efforts. So let me give you an interesting one from ZAT 2023. Okay, this question is from ZAT 2023. That which country launched the first ever wildlife conservation bond to save the black rhinos? It was South Africa. So now that's something you don't see every day, right? So what's the tip from my side? Stay informed about the environmental summits. Read some editorials. वहाँ definitely आपको कुछ environmental वाली चीजें मिल जाएंगी. You know, you have to keep learning about these things because these things also help you in RCs. And again, as I said, it's a newly growing section, so you can easily expect 2 questions from it in your coming examination. Let's move to the 7th category, which is pop culture and famous personalities. Don't be surprised when Zach throws in some pop culture questions, whether it's music, films, or even famous authors. This section can be both fun and rewarding. For instance, in 2022, they actually asked this, that which K-pop group became the first to top the Billboard Hot 100, and of course, it's none other than BTS. Yeah, that finger heart pose. If I would have recorded myself with my video, I would have shown you that heart pose. Be ready. Around 1 to 2 questions from the pop culture or famous personalities is gonna bang you in the exam. So they usually a breeze, so it would not be that hard to check on this section. And last but not the least, here comes the history and the ancient civilization. Zach loves to ask you about ancient history, freedom fighters, their struggles, the historical monuments, figures, and especially from India. So in Zach 2021, they asked you this question, that which site of Indus Valley civilization is located in Gujarat. The answer would be Lothal to that. So history buffs, rejoice. You can expect some 1 to 2 questions easily from this section as well, and you know that it will be easy marks because history में बहुत deep down difficult questions नहीं पूछे जाएंगे. They will roughly ask you what's been taught to you throughout your schooling time. So if you remembered anything from there, there you go. So here's a rough distribution based on the previous year trend, guys, summing up the entire video on one slide. So if you have a complete breakdown of the important topics of ZAT 2025 now, I hope this makes your prep more focused and gives you the confidence to ace the GK section. Remember, I'm always there. And these questions are definitely going to be very crucial in your interviews. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to CrackZat for more such informational videos, and drop your comments right below. Tell me how the video was. And of course, if you have any questions, we can meet on Instagram and Unstop both. So see you on the next video, guys. Till then, take care, love, and study hard. Hey there, if you're looking for your resumes and CVs to be reviewed for free or want daily newspapers or all self-study material under one roof, then what are you waiting for? Join my Telegram groups where you will also get the latest jobs, internships, trainings, and courses updates absolutely for free. And if you want one-on-one counseling, then you can also follow me on Instagram and hit that DM button. Everything will be answered under one place. Thank you so much and peace.